Okay guys, in the last lesson we ended this problem completely, but what I want you to do, let's see selection, the elite, this line of code, and save it like this. And this is the three elite of the class. We put them in a line, don't need this and this. And now let's create a code selection of not passed. Let's see if anyone is under 30, under 50 is not passed. We create our data. Let's go to project 1, I think. Let's go to project 1 and see what random we created. No, it's a project, I think. Let's go and see. Okay, we create the scores from 30 to 100. Let's say if anyone is under 45, he is not passed. Easily we change it like this. Just a little change and run it. We say B is equal to selection not passed and a score, and I think what we should say number 45. Let's say just 40 for now. And B, no one is under 40. Let's say 45. Okay, where did it go? No one. Let's say 50. No one. 60. No one. 70. 2%. Only 2%. All of their scores are under 70. But this is not a good way. Let's say if a student have one lessons under 45, get punished. How we could do that? This is your exercise. You can write it and send it to me for send me it for me. But if you want me to write it, tell me in the comments and I put a video for it and write how to do that. Have a good time. This project is the first project we do and it's ended now. In the next lesson, I think we talked a little about classes or anything else. Have a good day.